Good afternoon and morning, friends. Today you are going to create an artwork based on the video you saw about a famous artist, Laurel Burch, who lived in California. And even though she had brittle bones and many broken bones, she persevered and took great strides to create art and became very famous, and her art is now worldwide known. So she is famous for creating her cats and the really beautiful designs and patterns she applied to them. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make a cat today, and then you are going to have an opportunity to create shapes and patterns and designs inside your cat. This will be the first part of a two-step project. So you're going to need to choose one oil pastel. You have a box and you can choose whatever color speaks to you today or feels best to use. I'm going to choose magenta. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to begin with the top of your head, and you're going to start one ear and then come on over like a rainbow and create another ear, which is like two sides of a triangle. Once you complete that, then you're going to come down, down, down and make it the letter W, coming up, and then back down, over and up to connect to the other side of the head. Next, you need to do a V. This leads to the cat's nose. So a V shape, and then up on each side, and then make that eyebrow so that we can add the eyes on each side and make sure it goes all the way over to the edge. Then you can create an eye inside and an eye inside. And then you can choose if you want a circle pupil or like a moon or crescent. I'm going to go with the crescent shape on mine, like cats have. And then the next thing, you can add a tongue. The next step is you're going to go down, 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 all the way down. And then you're going to come along the other side and go down, 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 all the way down as well. Coming over, this will be our first foot. And then we're going to come up high. And then we're going to do that same thing again. And we're going to come up, maybe not quite as high. And then we're going to connect to the body. And next you can add a line and create a tail however you feel you think looks best. You can look at those examples that I showed you as well. Could do maybe a spiral tail or just a curled up tail like mine is showing. And then next you can add some claws to the bottom of your feet. And then you're going to want to take some new colors. I would choose one at a time and start creating some designs. So I think over here I'll do some squares. According to the space I have. And I think down below we'll do some triangles. I'm gonna make those in a deeper indigo color. And then next, I think we'll do some moons. And then I think I'll do some stars in this first foot or leg. And another one. Maybe a smaller one. And if you feel more comfortable drawing with a pencil first and then tracing over it, that's fine. You'll just want to choose a dark oil pastel color for your body so that the oil pastel actually covers your pencil. Then I could do some ovals. And some rectangles. And some circles. And then I think on the tail, I will add some stripes that are kind of curved. And then on the head, I'm going to add some blue tones. So pick 2 or 3 blues that you like. And I think since I already used this one, I'll do the navy blue instead. So I'm gonna stick with these blues. So I've got a navy blue, a royal blue, and a sky blue. And I think I'll just start by adding some stripes coming in at various lengths. And I'll do this also over the face. They're just like sideways triangles. And then you may want to add some whiskers coming off your cat's face. And I think I'll also add a background starting next week. You'll want to end today by making sure you place your name on your artwork. So I'm going to put my name at the bottom down here. And you can also add a K and the first initial of your teacher's name. And I will see you next time as we add the background and then paint. Enjoy!